this video, we're going to check out the synths from Deluge 1.2 public firmware. This time we're going to go over how we can use the new alternative playback feature to record multiple audio tracks into a Ranger view. So the normal playback in the earlier firmware, if you wanted to play ahead, you'd have to push down left right knob and press play. Because normally if you press play, it would start at the very beginning. So this makes it a lot better if you wanted to skip ahead and record in a specific spot. And if you messed up or had to do it multiple times, now with this function, I don't have to hold down left right knob. I just press play and it's going to play. Wherever I put the first column is where it's going to start. And now if I hold down left right knob and press play, it'll start from the beginning. So it's a lot easier now. Off camera, I have the Yamaha Reface CP. And all of the audio is routed out through the Chroma console. First, we have to make sure that the alternate playback mode is turned on. So press Shift, go to Select, go all the way down to Community Features. So scroll all the way down, and once we set this, we don't have to do anything ever again. So enable where it says Alternative Playback Start Behavior. Just make sure there's a checkbox next to it. Now when we back out, just press any pad. It saves the settings, so you never have to do that again. So you can see we have drum kit here. Press play. You can hear it's a very basic beat. Let's press song. Now we're in a Ranger view. So here's the kit. You can tell by pressing here. It says kit. Now let's set up an audio clip. All you have to do is press a blank track and push down on the select knob. Now it's an audio clip. So we have to do this once. Hold down learn. Press this. Bring it down to stereo input monitoring. The Yamaha Reface CP is going into the line in. So now that monitoring's on, I can hear it. So this is a timeline. I'm going to enable cross screen. Whenever we press play, it's going to follow the cursor. So let's enter in some drum clips. Now we only have this one clip. We saw it was just one beat. So I could enter it in this way, so we can kind of count it out. Or I can just get rid of all of them. Or I could hold down left right knob, press back. It's going to erase everything. Now let's enter it in again, and hold it down, and press over here. So this extends it and it will loop. So you can see the colors looping. Next, I want to record down here. So hold down record. And you'll see this fade out a little. Just push this. Now it's armed to record. So I'm going to record and it's going to record to the beat, but I want the audio clip to stop right here. Let's say I want to record a clip just here. So just push down here. I just added what I would call a dummy clip. So it's a white instance, so it's just a blank clip. When I record, the clip's going to hit this and it'll automatically stop at that point. So it's enable record, and when I press play, it's going to count down and I'm just going to play on the keyboard. So we saw that it hit right there. If I press stop here, we can see the clip stopped right here. So let's listen to it. So I like this, but I want to loop it. So what I can do, if I hold this down and press song, now it just converted it into a blue clip. So I press song, now I can see the blue clip. We have the alternate playback method, so I can just go over here, and just add another dummy clip, and just record another section. So that cut off right here. Now I'm just going to hold it down, press song, song. Now section 2, you can see it here too. It's right there. It's just not highlighted. So there it is, section 2. Let's remove the dummy clip. This time let's draw out the drums. Now let's say I wanted this part to be different and this part to be different. So I can press shift and let's modify this one. Now that just made it into a white clip. Now a white clip that we see does not belong to a section, so it's independent and it can't be copied. But we can turn it into a repeatable clip when you hold it down and just press song. So let's go back. Now we see that variation. So let's say I want this variation over here. That's how you do it. So let's enter in. Now I'm just going to make just something simple, some drum roll here. Want to go over one. We're going to create that dummy clip over here. because I want the clip to go all the way through and stop there. Now let's press play. Just hold it down, press song, song. We got a section color. It lines right up to here. So let's zoom out. Now we can see everything that we created. So I have the audio clips, different chord progressions. And then we have the drums. The snare hits here as variations. So let's add another audio clip. So I'll hold down the track, push in the select knob. All we have to do is hold down record. That's armed. So let's bring it down here. Now that track's armed. Now what I want to do is play over all of this. I'm just going to improvise. Let's add a dummy clip at the end here. So let's record. So I can convert that to a clip. Now we have short clips, longer clips. Now let's add another one. So this is the process. Hold that down, push down select knob, hold down record, arm the track, and there we go. I want to add a dummy clip right here, just so it stops. Hold it down, press song twice. Now that's a clip. So let's just add some drums here, dummy clip here. I'm going to hold down record and just track to here. Now I'm going to turn it into a clip. Then I can interplay it that, and then this one. Now those drums are going to come right in again. Let's put a variation there. Let's hear how it sounds. Let's cut out the drums here. There we go. Put them in again. Now they're coming back in. Now, if you have something with long reverb, you could just not use a dummy clip and just record until it fades out. Let's say as that tail's going down, you wanted to have another song section, then you just add new tracks beneath it. So you can work that way and come up with a song. Let's say I wanted to insert a bar here. So I can just move over here, hold down Shift and turn it. Then I can move back here and I can figure out what I want to do from here. Maybe I'll put that in. I can move a little forward and press play. So you can also record vocals, acoustic guitar.